welcome to this new episode, and here I'm going to address the issue of your iPhone can be backed up at the moment. So I will just try to back up my iPhone to the iCloud, and once I hit the backup button, what I saw was your iPhone can be backed up at the moment. I want to check for more information. It boils down that I was asked to upgrade my storage capacity. So I have the free 5 gig iCloud storage service, which is free. Then I was asked to either upgrade to 50 gig, 200 gig, or 2 terabytes per month. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem once and for all. Actually, you can see you can't back up your iPhone is disappeared, but that does not mean I now have enough storage space on my iCloud account. So if I go to my iCloud account, you'll still discover that I have the general 5 gig storage, and if I choose to go ahead and hit backup now, my iPhone will try to estimate the total size of device or data I have for my iPhone to back up. Now, instead of my iPhone to back this up directly, my iPhone will display this backup cannot be completed, or you can't back up, or your iPhone cannot be backed up at the moment. This is nothing but because I do not have enough storage size. This iPhone cannot be backed up because there is not enough iCloud storage available. Now, the only solution to solve this is to back up your iPhone to external storage in case you don't want to upgrade your iPhone storage capacity. So you can back up to an external drive just like this. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone data to an external drive using an external storage and data cable. And also, you can also, if you really want to back up to iCloud, you can just go to your phone settings, then come to general. Under general, click on iPhone storage. While on the iPhone storage, see the size of your iPhone. Then you can see I have about 40 gig, 40.37 gig out of 256 gig used. Now check through what is taking up your iPhone capacity here, and then delete them. So you can see Gingerboard is taking about 1.5 gig. Just go ahead now and delete this. So once you delete some of these applications that are hitting up your iPhone storage, then you can go back to your iPhone to repeat the process. That is, you can go back to your iPhone iCloud page to back up your iPhone. You can see uploading all your photos and video can take some time. This time I now have about 39 storage used on my iPhone. Now if I go ahead now to turn on the feature to back up my iPhone, you'll see that my iPhone will likely back up my iPhone because I have a laser storage, but this is still not going to work. You can see I have 37, 38 there, and I have 11 here. That is my iOS, and my data is 6. If you add this together, that's going to be 19. Then add 19 to 38. So nothing's going to work. So my iPhone will still not be able to back up my data because the maximum storage capacity I have on my iPhone is just 5 gigabytes, and I already have around 50 gigabyte worth of data storage. So if you truly want to solve your iPhone cannot be backed up at this moment, or your iPhone cannot be backed up, you need to use an external storage or upgrade to a new iCloud Plus account. So if this is helpful and insightful, if you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.